With all that loosened, we can now take the trailing arm out of the car. Just remember that trailing arm bolts that I put in there just to keep it up. Just have to pull those out. Easier said than done. Okay, that freed it up. And the trailing arm is out. Looks to be in pretty good shape, but they are rubber bushings and I am going to replace them. I'll probably go with the poly. Now I'll repeat the procedure on the other side. Trailing arms are out.